Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a 2016 Ford F-150? This might be it. The stock number is 7206. Let's give you that virtual video walkaround. Take notice of the exterior condition. An imperfect video, of course, does have the bed liner. I'll point some facts out to you, and we'll show you the interior. Power rear slider, tow package. The plant does not come with it, though. It does not. We're going to make our way up the side. This is the Sport Edition, of course. Look at the ample legroom in the rear. That would be a nice, comfortable ride with lots of room if we were traveling as we approach the holidays to Grandma's house or whatever. And we're going to put you in the front interior of the cab. Automatic transmission, easy access to all the controls with an arm's length. Very comfortable and safe ride in this F-150. So for more information on this F-150 or any others in our inventory, all you got to do is give us a call, email us, or text us. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we'd like to meet you in person. Come on down. We'll do that and hopefully earn your business. Take a look at this truck or any others in our inventory in a virtual video walk-around form on this website. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk-around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.